all you need to know, the Bloomberg Quint podcast that prepares you for the day's business. Good morning. You're listening to the Daily Morning Update from Bloomberg Quint, and I'm Alex Matthew. Here's everything that you need to know at the start of your day. Today is the 27th of December. The Reserve Bank of India will conduct a second round of bond buying and selling at the end of this month in what is come to be known as India's version of Operation Twist to ease borrowing conditions in money markets. On the 30th of December, the central bank will purchase 10,000 crore rupees worth of government bonds maturing in 2029 and sell 10,000 crore rupees worth of short-term government bonds maturing in 2020, according to a statement. The decision came after a review of the current liquidity and market situation and an assessment of the evolving financial conditions. This is the second round of such simultaneous sale of bond purchases and sales following the 23rd of December auction. The move is aimed at pushing short-term bond yields higher while lowering long-term yields. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has imposed a 25 lakh rupee penalty on CARE Ratings and ICRA for their failure to exercise skill, care and due diligence in rating the non-convertible debentures of Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services and its non-bank lending unit. The SEBI called it a brazen failure of the credit rating agencies, which clearly defeated the objective of investor protection and orderly development of the securities market. It concluded that CARE and ICRA violated the provisions of the SEBI Act 1992 and its Code of Conduct. Goods and Services Tax officials have unearthed a racket involving fake invoicing worth 1,600 crore rupees that resulted in tax evasion of 241 crore rupees, according to an official release which was sent out on Thursday. The main culprit was arrested and remanded to 10 days of judicial custody by a local court. The alleged racketeer had created several firms on the basis of unauthorized access to identity documents of various persons. These were then used to defraud the exchequer by exploiting the facility of refunds given for inverted duty structures. In the commodity space, oil advanced in light trading with prices set for the biggest monthly gain in almost a year on speculation that supplies are shrinking. WTI crude stood at $61.75 to a barrel last I checked, and prices are up almost 12% this month and have reached the highest level since mid-September. The American Petroleum Institute reported that U.S. stockpiles dropped as much as 7.9 million barrels last week. In markets, gains in technology shares sent the Nasdaq Composite Index above 9,000 for the first time. It gained as much as 0.8%, which is the most among the three averages. The Dow and the S&P 500 closed 0.4 and 0.5% higher respectively in light trading. Now, gold advanced and the dollar drifted lower, and Amazon.com was among the top equity performers after the e-commerce giant reported a record-breaking holiday season. In Asia, stocks are mixed at the start of trade, with two of the three early risers losing ground. With that, it's over to Darshan Mehta for the trade setup for the day in India. Morning, Darshan. How are we looking today?
Hi, Alex. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Global cues were positive, at least on the US and European front. Asia somehow started muted, but the SX Nifty is indicating a positive outlook. But some of the stocks that we need to watch out for: Adani Ports, LIC has increased stake in the company from 9.8% to 11.8%, and the stake was bought between December 8th to 23rd. We've seen multiple block deals that have happened in Adani Ports over the month, and it seems LIC was the buyer. HG Infra Engineering has been declared the lowest bidder for the HAM project in Haryana for a bid cost of 372 crores. Sikal Logistics will default on payment of NCD interest worth 5.5 crore. That is falling due on December 27, and they have said it that's due to a cash flow mismatch. Simplex Infra also defaulted on the payment of NCDs worth 4.8 crores, which was due on December 26, and the default was due to short-term temporary liquidity crisis. Hindustan Aeronautics will be in focus. CARE has downgraded the long-term banking facilities worth 7,300 crores to AA plus from AAA with the outlook unchanged at stable. Motilal Oswal AMC sold in another 19.5 lakh shares in Dishman Carbogen MX. It's close to 1.2% stake. In terms of brokerages, MK has raised Dixon Tech's target to 4475, maintaining a buy. MK sees consumer electronics to deliver sustained growth, and home appliances will see growth rebound in FY21 after a slow FY20. Motilal Oswal has recommended buying Ultratech with a price of 5050. Demand has been weak, but Motilal Oswal expects recovery from the fourth quarter FY20. And Edelweiss says that the average domestic HRC steel prices is at the highest level since September 2019. Edelweiss continues to prefer JSPL. It's a buy recommendation in the ferrous space owing to the reliance on longs, and Edelweiss maintains a hold on Tata Steel and JSW Steel while maintaining a reduced rating on SAIL. But there's much more you need to know before trade actually starts. For that, log on to our website bloombergquint.com and click on the All You Need to Know tab, and you will be prepared for morning trade.
Thanks, Darshan. And as always, thank you all for listening in. This is Alex Matthews signing off. Have a great day and an even better weekend.
I hope you enjoyed listening to All You Need to Know. Did you know that you could listen to the show on the IVM Podcast app? On the IVM Podcast app, along with this, we have a number of other shows which you think you'll enjoy. Listen to Cyrus Says with Cyrus Brocha as the host. Listen to Paisa Vaisa with Anupam Gupta. The Scene and the Unseen with Amit Verma. Or Shunya One hosted by Shiladitya Mukhopadhyay and myself. Check out the IVM Podcast app to get more talk content that you will enjoy.